Hey guys, it's Paul Ritzler here, and today I'm going to show you on how to do the Pythagorean theorem. Now, what is the Pythagorean theorem, you may ask? Well, the Pythagorean theorem is a theorem that is used to find any missing length in a right triangle. So we have this triangle, for instance, so we have the opposite side, which measures 6 miles, and then this one measures 8 miles. So when we use the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So it's in order by length when you calculate. So it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So this is our Pythagorean theorem. So when we're looking at this, so this is side A, this is side B, and then this is side C. So we don't know what this is, but we're looking for the hypotenuse. So when we calculate this, so we have 6 squared as our A, so, and then we have plus, and then 8 squared as our B equals C squared. So when we calculate this, we do 6 squared, which is 36, plus 8 squared, which is 64. So when we add it together, we get equals c squared. So we get 64 plus 36, which is 100. So we have c squared equals 100. So now we want to find the square root of 100, or when we find the square root, we find a number that multiplies times itself to get an answer. So that's the square root. So square both sides. So c squared. So we get c equals 10. So that means that our missing side would be 10 miles. Our missing length would be 10 miles. So the hypotenuse would equal 10. So 10 miles. So when we look at this answer here, so we have our answer, so 10 miles, and when we submit. There we go. So now we have I'm going to go to another problem. So to find another missing length, and this is one that does not include a hypotenuse, it includes a more challenging problem. So we have this triangle here. So we have A side measuring 5 centimeters, we have the B side which we don't know about, and then we have our hypotenuse, which is 13 centimeters. So I'm going to write my right triangle here, the right angle. So our hypotenuse is 13 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. And we don't know about B. So as you all recall, the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So now when we want to find this missing length, we would have 5 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. So when we have this, we'd say 25, 5 squared is 25. So we have 25 plus b squared equals 169, because 13 squared is 169. So when we have that, so what we're going to do to find b squared is we're going to subtract 25 from both sides. So we're going to subtract 25, 0 on this side, subtract 25 from 169, so we get b squared equals 144. So now we have b squared equals 144. Alright, so now we have to square both sides of these. So now we would square this side and we'd square this side, so we get b equals 12, because the square root of 144 is 12. So that means that the side length of b would be 12 centimeters. So our missing side length is 12 centimeters. So let me put cm as our abbreviation here, 12 centimeters. So here's our problem. So we type in the missing length that we found. So it is 12 centimeters. So then we submit. there we go. So I hope you all found this video helpful, and I feel like this is a really cool way to solve right triangles, especially with trigonometry too, because you learn this in trigonometry, but later on I want to get into more like trigonometry functions like cosine, law of cosine, tangent, law of sines. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and I will be checking back with you later. Alright, you all take care. Alright, I'll see you later. Alright, subscribe too. Have a good day. Bye.